Hi everyone, this is Baotran again. Today we talk about AI agents revolutionizing purchasing decisions, strategic patenting in the age of autonomous commerce. So, the rise of AI agents and autonomous systems capable of making purchasing decisions is reshaping retail, procurement, and consumer behavior. From Amazon's Rufus suggesting products to AI driven supply chains optimizing procurement costs, these systems are projected to influence $30 trillion in transactions by 2030. However, this seismic shift raises critical questions about IP protection. As AI agents increasingly act independently, businesses must leverage patents to safeguard innovations, deter competitors, and navigate legal ambiguities. Here is how patents are becoming the linchpin of defensibility in an era where machines are both customers and potential infringers, and can be copied very easily using vibe coding. First, let's discuss the AI agent landscape, from shopping assistants to autonomous buyers. AI agents are everywhere now in retail and procurement. AI agents are evolving beyond the chatbots into proactive decision makers. They can personalize recommendations, and platforms like Amazon use AI to analyze user behavior, generating hyper-targeted product suggestions. They also use dynamic pricing. Machine learning can adjust prices in real time based on demand, inventory, and competition. Retailers like Walmart are deploying AI to reduce logistical costs by 15% and improve inventory turnover without human input. The next trend is that machines are now becoming customers. There's $30 trillion opportunity. By 2030, AI-driven machine customers will autonomously negotiate contracts, replenish supplies, and even purchase goods without human inputs. For example, IoT devices could order replacement parts automatically, and corporate procurement systems might use AI to source materials during supply chain disruptions. So, what are the patent risks in autonomous AI commerce? First, you can have AI-generated infringement. AI's ability to analyze patents and replicate innovations poses unique challenges. Number one, unintentional replication. AI agents trained on public patent data independently develop solutions that infringe existing IP, and there's an ambiguity as to who is liable because the machine infringes. Could a machine infringe a patent? That is unknown. I'm sure that will be tested soon enough. There's also legal precedents and gaps. Courts have ruled that AI-generated content lacks copyright or patent protection without human inventorship. Innovations involving AI, such as data processing methods, may qualify patents if they demonstrate technical novelty and they're not invented by a machine. Swirling around this is, how do you patent and build moats against machine agents? Right? You need to have core patent protection. The patent must focus on proprietary AI architecture and focus on the technical problem and the technical solution. Potential areas to focus on would be the data pipelines. For example, patent the methods for collecting, processing the data sets that the AI agents require, and also the workflow integration, and protect these solutions in embedded industry-specific processes, such as supply chain risk monitoring. You also need to have proactive infringement detection. AI-powered tools are now critical for IP defense. You can have real-time monitoring, and platforms like PowerPatent can scan global patent filings and product descriptions, flagging potential infringement. You can also have the platform PowerPatent to generate the claim chart automation. So it generates evidence for litigation by mapping the patent claims to competitor or AI agent practices. You also need to consider a global IP strategy. International filings where it's important, such as in countries such as the US, Europe, and China. You also can consider hybrid IP protection that includes patents, trademarks, trade secrets, and copyrights. Let's look at an example case study. Amazon's AI shopping ecosystems. So Amazon has a set of patents that cover AI-driven features like automated cart additions and budget-aware purchasing. By patenting its recommendation algorithm, Amazon deters rival from replicating its customer retention edge. Now let's look at Walmart. They have reinvented procurement. Walmart's AI inventory management system is protected by patents on predictive restocking that reduces overstock by 35% while maintaining 99% order accuracies. And the competitors face barriers to matching this efficiency. Let's talk about future-proofing against AI legal uncertainty. So what you want to do is in your patent, you want to have human in the loop. So the human has to be the inventor. AI can assist it in drafting and things like that, but it has to be human. Also, you cannot be patenting the application of AI to a generic set of problems. You need to be having very specific technical problem you're solving and technical solutions to that, right? Once you solve that issue, then the eligibility problem goes away, and now it's just a matter of whether or not the invention is obvious. But in some sense, the more detail you put into the technical solution, the less the obviousness issue will be raised. So the road ahead, AI patents and market dominance. As AI patents become ubiquitous, businesses must adopt a dual strategy. Number one is to innovate aggressively. Develop AI solution that addresses unmet needs as quickly as you can. And number two, patent strategically. Secure IP around core technologies to create moats that will help you defend your business from a competitor who use vibe coding to copy you very quickly. Companies that fail to prioritize patent risk commoditization. As Gardner noted, 21% of future revenue will depend on machine customers, and only those with defensible AI will capture this market. And in the age of autonomous commerce, patents are no longer optional. They are the currency of survival. Startups and enterprises alike must partner with IP experts like Patent PC to transform AI innovation into unassailable moats. The question isn't whether AI will disrupt your industry. It's whether you'll own the disruptors or be displaced by them. We are here to help, so feel free to contact us. Thank you.